What's up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. We got our buddy Brandon from one of our crew members. We got his 2015 Rubicon Hard Rock Edition. We're doing a little upgrades. He's got some 37-inch tires. We're trying to make it where he can go off-road. He doesn't quite have the right back spacing, and everybody hates wheel spacers, but if they're done correctly, they can be very much safe. They're not the alternative I would choose. I would definitely say to go with the right back spacing of wheel, but if you're needing to do that, they can be done safely. And Synergy has actually come out with some that are super awesome. They're one piece. They come with their own studs. We're putting them on with some red Loctite. Stick around for the video and we'll show you how to install these. Alright guys, so here we are. We're getting ready to install these Synergy wheel spacers. These are 1 3/4, 1.75 inches wide. What you're going to do is, you're going to take some red Loctite. You're going to put a nice little stream across on each one. Just a small little trail on each one. Clean these up if you need to. His are very clean. There's not an issue. But if yours are all rusty, clean them up. You want a nice clean mating surface along with this. You don't want this all rusty either. So after you've cleaned everything up, put you a nice little bead of red Loctite. And then you're going to slap your wheel spacer on. These lug nuts come with it and they just thread right on. You're going to take these down, bolt these up, set them at 96 foot-pounds. Now you're going to say, why 96? Because at 95 foot-pounds, like they're specified, when somebody goes to torque check and make sure all these are correct, if they go a little hard, they're going to break the lock that these Loctite has, and it's not going to be doing what it's supposed to anymore. So I go 1 pound over, which isn't going to break any metal, but when you go to torque check them at 95, you should just get a click, 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 click. Everything's safe. So what we'll do is we'll put the red Loctite on and little bead, just a little trail across there. Now, he's going to slap this on, and I am going to go hold the brake pedal down while he puts it on. Now he's hand starting those because you don't want to cross thread. He's just going to get them started, and then he'll use the screw gun to just put a snug on them. Just barely snug. See, that one's trying to cross thread on him. So you want to make sure you don't cross thread. See, nice and easy. Good. Start with the top, buzz that one in a little. Good. Now work on the bottom one. You want to do a crisscross star pattern. Okay. Now, we'll take the torque wrench. I'll go hold the brake pedal and he's going to torque them down in a crisscross star pattern. Good to go. Now once he's done a star pattern, you go in a circle all the way around to make sure everything's tight. There you go. Remember, always hand start them. Cross threading is the killer of studs. Here we go. Last step of the process is you're going to be torquing down your wheels, and that's what it looks like. Quite a big difference with these Synergy 1 3/4 inch wheel spacers. They really got the tires out there further, and we're going to keep from rubbing. He was having rubbing issues with the 37-inch tires here, and he was also rubbing here on the frame, and the cause of that is with these 37-inch tires on a small lift, you have issues with clearances. Also, the problem is he has the wrong back spacing. You need, I would say, about 4 inches of back spacing to run these size of tires. 3.5 inch back spacing. This should put him right at about 3.5 inches of back spacing. So we shall test and see, make sure he's got no rubbing.